Hello friends, this video is about alignment of toric IOLs. We all know that when we have to place a toric IOL, we have to place it a few degrees before the actual alignment. But in case the IOL rotates, this video is going to show how difficult it is to rotate the IOL anti-clockwise because the design of the haptic is such and that it prevents the rotation. So in this video is the technique that if this happens, don't worry, you can go all around, rotate the IOL in a clockwise position and realign it according to the required position. Watch it and let me know in your comments and we can be of further help. Hello friends, this is a very interesting case. We all do toric IOLs. So this will actually tell us what not to do. We have to align this. This is image guided technology. We have a femtorexis here. And now I want to align the toricity, and what we cannot do and what is the solution to this problem is what will be solved in this case. So I have put in a toric IOL and it has to be aligned at 29 degrees according to the image guided technology that I have. So yes, here I have rotated the IOL before it unfolds in the axis of desired placement. And now a bimanual technique to remove the viscoelastic from in front of the IOL and from behind the IOL. Now what can happen sometimes is, as you can notice, that the IOL tends to rotate. Now it can rotate clockwise or it can rotate anti-clockwise. This was viscoelastic removal from behind the IOL. Very good. Now this has misaligned the toricity from the desired placement. And now the question here is, how are we going to realign this? And you will see the struggle. So it's very, very difficult to rotate this IOL anti-clockwise. So if you try to rotate, and that's because of the design of the haptics and the IOL, it's difficult to rotate in an empty bag an IOL anti-clockwise. So if this happens, I tried to attempt this even under hydro procedure. So with the hydro cannula, I'm trying to realign the IOL. This was also attempted under a bimanual IA. So use the irrigation of the bimanual IA and then use a Sinskey hook through the under the side port that was already there. And then again, I'm attempting to rotate this IOL to align the axis of 29 degrees. So you can see that I'm taking a Sinskey hook through the other side port and then going beneath the CCC and trying to rotate the IOL anti-clockwise. And believe you me friends, this is not all that simple as what you think it can be. So then what are our solutions? We have three options. One is to fill up the bag again with a viscoelastic and then attempt to rotate the IOL anti-clockwise. Or else, I'll tell you another way out. In frustration, one may just give up, but don't try to give up because you need to align that toricity. We all know that when it's not aligned for more than 3 degrees, 5 degrees, and after 15 degrees, the toricity is completely lost. It will behave like a normal monofocal IOL for that patient. So now I've gone in with irrigation, and I know that this is not going to happen. And I'm now trying to use the bimanual IA to remove the air so that my visibility becomes better. And then again trying to rotate the IOL anti-clockwise. And this is just not happening. So then the only way out here is fill up the bag, take a T, a Bessett's T in your other hand, and forget the anti-clockwise movement. Just rotate the IOL clockwise. So you can see that I'm trying again an anti-clockwise movement. It's just not happening. Okay. So don't worry, this can happen. Then the best trick would be, now the IOL is getting more and more in the opposite direction from what you really want it to stay. So if this happens, forget it. As you can see that I'm taking a T in my other hand, the non-dominant hand. Put on the irrigation, there's no viscoelastic at all in the bag. And then very simple, rotate the IOL clockwise. And this helps you to align the toricity that is necessary. So you can see that I'm just rotating the IOL. Once I rotate the IOL again, it's changing the hands, irrigation to the other side port and the T through the other main incision, and then rotate the IOL and get the toricity aligned to the 29 degrees of desired. So remember friends, it's difficult to rotate the IOL anti-clockwise when in the bag and there's no viscoelastic at all in the bag. So then the best way out is forget it, hold on, rotate it clockwise, get it aligned. Once that is aligned, just leave it. So this was one trick that you all will face in toricity, and you can go around doing this to align the axis perfectly under image guided technology. So this is just a sharing of this video. and very soon we will show you many more videos with such interesting tricks.